So here in this bathroom, we're installing this this undermount tub. So basically, we have to frame a little bit. Now, what we're gonna do on this thing, the guys are shaving that because the windowsill, it was actually higher, so they have to shave a little bit of that. What we're gonna do, we're gonna put a piece of stone all over on the deck. We're gonna be drilling a couple holes in here for the faucets, and then this is all gonna be tile. So keep tuned, guys. We're gonna be putting the pictures, the before and afters. This used to be an old school jacuzzi, and in another video we show you guys the reason why we have to do this remodel. And the main reason why, because this shower was leaking, which created the floor to need to be replaced. It was so rotted. It was pretty bad. And then that also created another problem under the tub, and it was the subfloor. It just created a big mess. But wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about the tub. This is I believe it's a quarter tub. Yeah, I believe so. And we're just this is gonna look really, really good. We'll be posting here in the next couple of days. We're almost done. This project is about 90% completed, so we'll be posting hopefully here in the next week or so. But keep tuned, guys. And Nielsen's Painting and Remodeling.